Project files often start in Google Drive. Review work often happens somewhere else. In this demo, a DynamicMail Data Room brings selected Drive files into the room workflow. We start in the data room with a synthetic file set. The source panel is where the room connects to Google Drive. The connected account is selected for this room, and the Drive folder field keeps the workflow tied to the folder you choose. Next, choose the sync mode for the connected room. For this walkthrough, we start Sync Data Room and Google Drive. The progress panel shows the current sync state, upload and download activity, discovered folders and files, and the item currently being processed. As the sync completes, Drive content becomes available inside the data room. The team can review from the room view while the connection remains scoped to the selected Drive folder or files. Now, a room item needs to go back to Drive. Open the File menu on the selected entry and choose Sync Google Drive. DynamicMail uploads or updates that selected room item in the configured Drive folder. The same Drive action is available when several room entries are selected. Choose the files or folders you want, then use the Drive action in the Selected Items panel. This keeps the upload or update step tied to the selected room entries. Sharing stays tied to the selected item as well. Open the Sharing panel and choose Google Drive. Review the target, then create the link or member access the user requests. That is the core workflow. Connect selected Google Drive folders and files to a DynamicMail data room. Drive content and data room review can stay aligned without broad Drive account management.